Hey, welcome to day 3 of the Pin2Profit challenge. You are a rock star. Not everyone follows through on what they signed up for and what they committed to, but you are. So I'm super proud of you for showing up and being here on day 3. Okay, so day 3 is going to be adding a little bit more to what we did yesterday. So we're figuring out who our ideal client is. And remember, Pinterest, our Pinterest account is for that ideal client. It's not for us. And so our whole point is we're going to be adding value to them. Okay? Super important. So today we're going to be focusing on creating your perfect bio. And this is going to help you gain even more clarity when it comes to your pinning and everything. So you know exactly what you're doing, who it is that you're serving, how you're serving them. So your bio is going to briefly, in 160 characters or less, explain who you help, how you help them, and what they should do next. So this is where you can include an opt-in. So an opt-in is, there's a lot of different words you could use for this. An opt-in, a freebie, a lead magnet, a freemium, basically something that you can offer for free in exchange for their email address. If you don't have a freebie yet, don't worry. We will get there. We dive really deep into this in Pin with Purpose on exactly how you need to create a freebie and all that, because Pinterest is, the whole point of Pinterest is to build your email list. You have to have an email list. You don't own Facebook, you don't own Instagram. You can't be building your business on something that could be taken away from you in a second. So Facebook could shut down your account. My mom's Instagram account was shut down or hacked or something, and she lost it all. And so your email list is something that you own. So it's really important that you're focusing on building that. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, don't worry. We will get there in due time, but just know email list is important. So write that down. I need to figure out how to build my email list. And we dive super deep into that within Pin with Purpose. So example of my bio, just so you have an idea, and I'll give you a few more examples. I help female entrepreneurs use Pinterest to get more leads and sales, get my free Pinterest marketing tips cheat sheet, and I have the URL where they can sign up. And then there's a few more examples here for you. I help busy moms lose the baby weight with intermittent fasting and keto. Sign up for my free grocery list. Another one, I help entrepreneurs build influential brands online. Sign up for my free branding cheat sheet. So when you're creating your bio, just keep in mind, Pinterest is a search engine. So you can infuse keywords into your bio. People used to be able to put them in their actual profile name itself. They changed the character limit on Pinterest. So sometimes you can kind of get away with doing that on your phone sometimes, but they change it all the time. Most likely you won't be able to do that unless you brand your business and you're using keywords there instead of your name, but that's fine. You can use keywords in your bio and it's all good. So when you create your bio, let's keep it simple and just keep in mind your target audience. So I have this listed out for you in your homework so you can answer the following questions. I help, insert who you help, and then you can use the words learn, do, become, fill in the blank, and then sign up for my, what do they get? If you don't have a freebie yet, maybe your call to action is learn more at my blog or join our Facebook community. You're going to want to create a freebie for sure for all the reasons I stated previously on building your email list. But if you don't have one yet, you can still put something there. So have no worries. So your action steps for today. Do your homework, create your killer bio, and post your bio and your homework in our Facebook community using the hashtag Pin2ProfitDay3. And then at 11 o'clock Eastern, make sure to join me for our live Q&A. We can dive in deeper into this stuff and really help you nail your perfect bio. Okay, just a reminder, live Q&A, and we're giving away $1,000. So make sure your Instagram account is public, and then do your homework, share your biggest takeaway, something that you learned, an aha moment that you had, and tag me at She's Making an Impact and use the hashtag She's Making an Impact for a chance to win. Okay, tomorrow is epic, and it's all about search engine optimization on Pinterest, which is like crucial. So be there tomorrow, show up, I'll see you there. Bye.